What is up, everybody? Ithwitt here with Jerry here with Ithwitt. Today we got the carburetor in the mail. I'll drop some pictures in. Actually, no, I don't have to because y'all saw me on Instagram. Y'all saw it. So hold on. So yeah, as I was saying, we got the carb in the mail. For the tractor, and me, myself, and I had just made about 30-second talk and realized real quick I had it on time-lapse mode. My bad. Right here's the box. Another gasket in there. As well as that's a cool mask my dad ordered. Let's go show you how the car. Alright, so we back. Here's the carburetor. Here's the old one. Here's the carb, throttle, and this is the part that we broke on the last one. Choke. So we got the carb in, so in today's video, we'll take the hood off and put the points in. Possibly also install the carb, depending on how long the video is. Depends on if it's time-lapsed or not, guys. Let's go check and see what Dad's doing. I believe he's freeing up the engine. It also depends on how long of a video it is with it being time-lapsed and stuff. So still could not get this engine free. It's being a pain in the butt. A week and still not free. Really, Honda, you suck. Y'all saw that earlier. I don't know, maybe. I don't know when I'm publishing this video. If it's after those videos or not. Should be, theoretically, but you never know with me, guys. Anyways, this is that Ford tractor. We need to take these bolts off up here. Actually, there ain't bolts up there. We need to take these bolts down here. And these bolts up here. Do that. That would be awesome, guys. We got the car. Works good. Even the choke works. So we're in business. For some reason, the throttle's, I don't know, guys. This is all crazy how this does. But yeah, we gotta replace this, which y'all are looking at right now. That's the points. We need to do the points on it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an interesting video. Probably gonna be a lot of cursing. So kids, beware. If you're a kid and you're under 16, please cover your ears. In fact, you probably won't hear much of the cursing. You'll hear a couple bites, but you won't hear much. Because they'll mostly all be there in a time lapse. It's all real time lapse. So it's working on that because I have a feeling we'll be cussing up a storm. But if you see us yelling, that's probably what we're doing. We're mother. Bleep, 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 bleep. So yeah, guys, and living in the country is awesome. See here? This is country life, alright? Look at this. Country life. Log, old chair, and my homemade chair, guys. That we made in the middle of the night with an argument. And we ran out of screws on this, so we had to use black screws. That seems to be a theme here. We seem to run out of screws a lot. I'll make sure on the off. Okay, so we back. And at the end of this video, after, I'm not sure if it'll be after the outro or right before, I don't know. At some point in this video, I'm going to include a blooper. Maybe not, never mind. Scratch that. Anyways, guys, today has been a hectic day for me. I've recorded this video, the front of this video. Y'all see what clothes I'm in. I recorded this one. I recorded the full Honda dirt bike video, assessing the parts. That's going to be a good video. I can't wait to have it edited together. Also, move stuff around on my SD card so I can record on my action camera today, which tell me how the audio sounds right now. Audio test on the Campark ACT74. Please tell me how it sounds. I've done a lot today. I've watched a bunch of videos. Today has been a productive day for me. No rest. And he's going to be out mowing because I mowed last and he needs to mow the front as he promised. Yeah, guys, so we're going to remove the hood, move the points, and replace the carburetor. We're going to remove the hood, remove the points cover, remove the old points, put new points in, put the points cover back on, take the carburetor off, make sure we're getting spark. We're not getting spark, we're going to chase that tail down. Then we're going to put the new carb on once it gets spark. All in 1 to 2 days of work for us. But for y'all, maybe a week. Because y'all may see it in 2 videos. I'm not sure if y'all will. Chance y'all see it in 2 videos. But you never know with me, guys. You really do never know. Okay? You never know with me if it's going to be 2 parts or what. But I hope y'all ready for this, because this is just going to be super interesting. That's all we do today. It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited to hear it run. I'm hoping that we can get the start in this video. If not, it'll be in the next one. Well, the guy who bought it from said he left off at the points. So that's where we're starting off. Replacing points on the 1945 4.2N tractor. And if we do replace the carburetor in this one, it'll be up in the title. Also replacing the carb on there. If that's not in this video because chasing that in the spark took forever, either way, I'm trying to get both into the same video. But if it gets to be too long, guys, I will cut it into a new video for y'all. But you never know with me. I like to thank y'all for watching. I can't thank y'all enough for watching ithwitt. Always subscribe to me down there. ithwitt. If you ain't subscribed to ithwitt, go ahead and subscribe to me. You're missing out, but I gotta go.
It's not a game, it's a rich game. again. It's a rich thing.
I made sure I got it out of time. Anyways, y'all saw we got the carbon, and I know I stopped y'all halfway through us taking the points out, but that was just because it was being too much of a bear in the camera. I couldn't find an angle where it wasn't in his way, and I needed to go out of here because I did not want to mess up my dad. And he got the thing all the way installed, and then realized he forgot something. So yeah, we forgot the retainer spring. So we're gonna get to fixing that, and hopefully test and see if we got spark today. And yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Oil everywhere, stuff. Now we're gonna check. I gotta see if we got spark on plug 1. Got spark. We got spark. We're going in. We're gonna start it now. No, we're gonna try. We're gonna try to start it. We're going to see if it starts. Alright, we're going to try to start it now. Okay? Oh, yeah. It runs! It runs! Let's put the... Get the hood on so we can get some gas. Alright? Hold on. Guys, I don't know if y'all see this, but our fucking tractor runs. Our tractor runs. Look at all that smoke. It runs. That was our first time messing with points in a long time. Let's get the hood on real quick. I'll see y'all when the hood's on. We ain't got to bolt it. Let's just get it on. Okay? Got a small problem. We don't have the hood on properly or something. Finally found the bowl part to put the thing on to try to actually get it to run. Dad had us looking in the wrong direction. We're going to try to start it again. Alright guys, y'all see all the smoke. I'm sorry I didn't have the actual camera, but for all y'all who follow me on Instagram, y'all saw it. For all y'all who follow me on Instagram, y'all saw it, so that's pretty cool. Halfway started. We're getting there. Smoke. Like crazy. Woo! This guy keep playing with the air fuel mixer. Yeah, we just gotta play it with air fuel mixer. So, pretty cool, guys. Okay, so it likes to run for a little bit, and then it likes to want to go down, and not continue run, so. Hey, can I give him more throttle? For some reason it likes to run. Very weird. It is. I was holding the choke. Okay. So we have to stay holding the choke for it to run? Right now, yeah. Really? 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 Come on. Hey man, that's a lot of progress. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. Come on. I'm going to do this one more time. See if we can get this to start. Finally, after forever and a day, we're going to see if we get this tractor started. It started up barely for us earlier. When I go to the video, I don't want to hear you talking. Alright. Oh boy! I've already started, ain't you? Yes, I am. Alright, let's give her smitty shut. No, since we need stroke. Started last time without it. Yeah. Something's being a little picky, but get some fuel to it. Remember I put that fuel. Yeah, when we got it earlier, well, for y'all see it in the video in a couple weeks. Probably sometime soon. We had fuel sprayed on there. Yeah, we put fuel directly into the spark plug. Got fresh fuel right here. Up in there to get her going. Gotta get it down there. Yeah, it's just gotta get the carb. That's my problem. We just gotta get the fuel with this carb. Because we know it'll start if we put the warm fuel into the actual thing, guys. It started with fuel when we put it directly into the cylinder, so that's problem solved. Our tractor runs. Y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw it, but for some reason we have to pull the choke. We have to keep the choke pulled or it dies. But regardless of the fact, for the first time for him messing with points and however long since we filed the points down on the old Dodge station wagon we had. Yeah, that's also we put a new carburetor, so we got to dial it in. Yeah, we do got to dial the carburetor in. But regardless of the fact, we got it started. That's the important part. We may or may not have messed up right there, but may or may not have messed up right there, you know. We did, but who cares? The hood's not necessarily. Well, it is on right, it's just there. Hey, progress. Finally. Something. Y'all wait the Project Wheeler's going. Ain't that the truth? We got the parts coming in. By the time they all see this, the parts will probably already be here. Y'all probably won't see this till, let's see, not this coming week, but the week after. So in about 2 weeks you'll see it, but yeah, wait till that 4-wheeler's going. Woo! But regardless of the fact, it runs. We didn't check to see if the PTO works, but I do got to turn that gas off. Let's do that. We do have a small leak over here with the gas, and we have a small leak right here. We got to dial that in. For some reason, this won't go in all the way like it did on the old carb. Man, I should have never took that string out of my pants. But turn that gas off. We're leaking at the gas, but regardless, it runs. Damn. That's sealed up over here. For real? Yeah. Sweet. We've got that problem up there. Alright, we'll fix that. That's good news for today. Yeah, that's good news of the day. We got the 1945 Ford 2-in tractor started, and we got it to run, but we have to pull the choke. Don't know about that. That's kind of weird. Air fuel missing. Regardless, thank y'all for watching. Please comment your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here with a shot of the tractor.
And just like that, guys, I'm going to end this video. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to go get affiliated links in the description. I got the merch link, and I got a link to donate to the channel. If you want to donate, go click that PayPal link. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And ithwitt's out of the house. I got to end the video here. See y'all in the next one, guys. Adios, amigos. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Adios, amigos. Redneck guy, get out. Yeet.